right?
That's it.
You break the law, get convicted, and then run for president. And win.
Right.
And boom, case dismissed.
It's certainly a bold strategy, you have to admit. Absolutely. This is about presidential power and legal accountability. And where's that line? Like, where do those two things meet?
And should they meet at all?
Exactly. Back to the hush money payments that Trump allegedly made to Stormy Daniels to basically stay quiet about an affair before the 2016 election.
Okay, good.
He was actually found guilty of falsifying business records connected to those payments. So that's what this whole thing is about.
Presidential Transition Act.
Right.
To argue for dismissal.
Yeah.
I have to admit, I don't know a ton about this act.
So the Presidential Transition Act is all about, like, making sure the transfer of power between administrations goes smoothly.
Okay.
It's about protecting national security. During that transition period, like, you know, the incoming president gets intelligence briefings.
Right.
They learn about potential national security threats. It's a pretty vital piece of legislation.
Comparing his situation to Biden pardoning his son Hunter.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's bringing that into the mix.
How does that even connect?
So Biden said that raw politics was behind the legal trouble Hunter was facing. And Trump's saying, hey, that's the same thing happening to me.
So it's a political witch hunt, basically.
Essentially, she's claiming a double standard. You know, if a presidential pardon can be justified by political interference, then his case should also be dismissed.
It's a pretty clever argument.
It is, and it really highlights this murky area where law and politics intersect. The prosecutors have until December 9th to respond to Trump's motion.
Okay.
After that, who knows? It's all up in the air.
Yeah.
Will they try and get him sentenced before he takes office again on January 20th?
Right.
Will they try and do it while he's president?
Could they even do that?
It's really uncharted territory.
Or would they have to wait until he's out of office?
Nobody knows. This is all new.
Wow, this is like a legal thriller in real life.
It really is.
Another tool that Trump could try and use to get out of this recent Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
So what does this ruling say?
So this ruling came out on July 1st. And basically it says that you can't use evidence related to a president's official actions to prosecute them after they leave office.
We'll definitely keep following it and keep you updated.
Absolutely.